What's going on, everyone? It's Claudie. Have you been thinking about ways to make some extra cash each month? Maybe you're even looking for a way to ditch your 9-to-5 altogether and be your own boss? Well, becoming an Uber driver might be the perfect side hustle for you, or even a full-time gig. Driving for Uber or Lyft has become incredibly popular over the years, and for good reason. It offers a ton of flexibility. You can pretty much set your own hours, and you even get to meet some interesting people along the way, hopefully not interesting. In this video, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know about becoming an Uber driver step by step, so you can start raking in those fares in no time. Let's get started. First things first, let's go over the requirements to become an Uber driver. The minimum age to be an Uber driver in most US states is 21 years old, although some states require you to be 23. You'll also need at least 1 year of licensed driving experience in the US, or 3 years if you're under 25. Of course, you'll need a valid US driver's license and a clean driving record. You'll also need to pass a background check, which Uber conducts to ensure the safety of both drivers and riders. Finally, you need to have access to a qualifying vehicle and have auto insurance under your name. Now that you know the basic requirements, let's talk about the documentation you'll need to gather. First and foremost, you'll need your driver's license, obviously. Next, you'll need proof of vehicle registration and proof of insurance, which covers your vehicle in case of an accident. You'll also need to submit a profile photo, so make sure it's a good one. This is how riders will identify you, so smile. Lastly, you'll need your social security number for tax purposes. Chapter 3. Vehicle Requirements. Uber has specific vehicle requirements that your car will need to meet in order to qualify. Your vehicle must be 15 years old or newer and have 4 doors. It also needs to be in good working condition with no check engine lights and enough seating capacity for at least 4 passengers, excluding the driver. If you're interested in driving for Uber's luxury services like Uber Black or Uber XL, you'll need a higher-end vehicle that meets their stricter requirements. No one wants to get picked up in a beat-up old clunker, right? Chapter 4. Duration to get started. The entire process can generally be completed within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how quickly you gather your documents and complete the necessary steps. The application process itself is fairly quick and can be done online. Once you've submitted your application, Uber will conduct a background check, which can take a few days to complete. After your background check clears, you'll need to get your vehicle inspected. Once your car passes inspection, you're good to go. Chapter 5. Payment Expectations. As an Uber driver, you'll earn money for every ride you complete. The exact amount you earn per ride will vary depending on factors like the distance traveled, the duration of the ride, and the demand for rides in your area at the time, also known as surge pricing. On average, Uber drivers make around $20 to $25 per hour, but this can fluctuate. Remember to factor in expenses like gas, tolls, and vehicle maintenance. One of the best things about driving for Uber is that you get paid weekly. Uber also offers a feature called Instant Pay, which allows you to cash out your earnings instantly to your debit card, up to 5 times per day. Outro: start earning today. So there you have it, everything you need to know about becoming an Uber driver. By following these steps, you can become an Uber driver and start earning. Whether you're looking for a full-time gig or a side hustle, driving for Uber offers flexibility and independence. If you're looking for a new opportunity, I highly recommend giving it a shot.